Dear viewers, I am a Bangladeshi working in China more than 5 years. I have YouTube channel. My channel name is etc Tips and Tricks Bangla. 5 months before I create my channel for your support. 2 days before my channel got 1000 subscribers. Here Chinese New Year, Xi'an China. That means Happy Chinese New Year. So I congratulate you on behalf of all. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe, and comment section you can express your opinion. Also press the bell icon so that in future you will get all notification from my channel. And if you subscribe before to my channel, thank you so much. Now COVID-19 pandemic time, so take care, save your family. May God bless you.